guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so life keeps throwing me curveballs. Really aggressive, fast, boulder-sized curveballs. So to keep up with her, I've decided to completely reinvent myself. Because in my head, if I no longer look how I look, then she can't find me. So I'll be purging most of my closet today. I already did do a very big purge months ago, but I want to do it again because I still have too many clothes. And if it feels like I'm rushing this video or, you know, enthusiasm just not there, I already filmed it. This is my second time filming this video. You wanna know why? Because my SD card decided to stop filming. And usually my camera makes a sound when it stops filming, but it didn't. So like, a whole video wasn't recorded. And I'm trying to be optimistic, but I feel like crying because it's just one of those days. But we're gonna redo it with optimism. We're gonna start with pants and then we're gonna go to shorts, and then I have some sweaters and other shirts I want to go through. You will have a mirror for me to see. You will not see me in this mirror because I need it. I'm not gonna buckle it all the way because I've already done this. So my issue with these pants is they're just so damn big. You see how much room I have? It's actually overall pants, but I just don't like that idea either. So I decided I'm gonna get rid of them so I don't look like a 60s, you know, boxer. Okay, pants number 2. My quarrel with these was that I just don't like high-waisted pants on me anymore. I just feel like they shorten me. I'm like 5'5". I'm not short, but I'm not tall. I'm like petite, which is annoying. And I just don't think I look good in high-waisted things. It compacts my body, so I don't want it. This, I had the same problem with these. Like, to the bottom of my ribs. They're up to the bottom of my ribs. These will look cute on people that had more rib, but I don't. I've run out of rib. I don't even know if that's scientifically correct. Tall people have more ribs. I think it's just more space between. I hate these two. I don't even know why I bought them. I'm not even a big fan of pastel purple. Okay, third pair. I've had these jeans since freshman year, 2009. I really have. I just stopped growing at some point in my life, and I haven't really have. Nothing has changed. Not a bit. My only thing with these, I would keep them. They fit weird. I feel like someone with a smaller stature would like them better. You know, the younger emos. I'm finally gonna give them up. Okay, so we're moving on to shorts, and before I show you these shorts, I want you to know it's not that I don't like them. I'm just going through my closet, and any maybe got put on my bed to go through. So although I probably will keep these, they're just for the video. I call these my John Cena's. I know you're thinking, I know what you're thinking. You just said you don't want high-waisted things. You just said it. I know. These are different. They are different because I don't like high-waisted things that restrict my mobility. Like it's high-waisted and it's straight leg. I don't want to feel like I'm walking with no knees. I feel like I'm about to go strawberry picking in these. I got so much mobility in these. I could actually go wrestling. And that's why they're staying. I told you they're probably staying. Okay. These are actually a maybe. Because I don't know. I took these from my stepdad. He's a skinny man and he's not that tall. I think I'm actually taller than him. If not the same height. I just like how loose they fit. Like, you know? Like, I can get down if I want to. I have options in these. Also, they have this neat thing on the side where you can adjust how tight you want this part to be on your hips. Like that. Like, that is so, for my bigger butt girls, not me. I'm not in that category. Waistline snatched. You see how cute they are? That's a cool thing that I think all pants should have. Especially for women's. Like, they just fit now. They went from to which is why they're staying. Okay, so before I show you these, I have an affinity for overalls. I just am. My blood type is simply country bumpkin. It is. See, they're so cute. Ta-da! But like, they fit me and they're so cute. It's just this waist part that's kind of weird. It's kind of like, hey, you got like hip pads, and they're not hip pads, they're just hips. No ass, all hips. Like, no, think they're so fun. It made me feel like I'm Huckleberry Finn. Like I'm about to, you know? I'm having too much fun with this. They're staying, by the way. Okay. Shorts on, because we're moving on to shirts. Okay. No. No. I thought this was so cute, and I was like, it could give like a cropped moment, but I just hate it. I don't even want to spend a lot of time on this one. My burglar shirt. I've had this one. I, to be honest, never liked how it fit. I never liked how it fit. I just was really into stripes. At a moment where all I wore was stripes. I don't know why. I feel like stripes make me look frumpy now that I've come to terms with it. And I hate this top, so it's leaving. Okay, you see what I mean? You see what I mean? I was just really into stripes. And this also doesn't fit me correctly. I was like, oh, if I throw it on my body, it has to fit. No, this is a men's shirt and you can tell. It's leaving. I'm no longer dressing like a boy. Cause it's so big. I bought it this big because I have body issues. It'd be a cute oversized moment. Like an oversized lounge moment. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this one. I just won't like wear it out. It's actually from Forever 21 and shit made. It had like these holes and it was on clearance. I have a green one too. You've seen it on my Instagram. But they're shedding real bad because they're poor quality. I had to throw a tank top on because the rest of these are like blouses. I have a bunch of boy flannels because girl ones fit weird. See, why is this eating? Like some short shorts and my boots. I wanna order some cowboy boots. I'm simply alternative. I am. Nah, this is saying, this is cute. You know, you can't go wrong with a good flannel. You can't go wrong with a good flannel. Okay, Open Trails. I think that's Walmart's brand. I have no affinity or shame shopping at Walmart. Cute. You're gonna stand there and tell me this couldn't be a cute oversized flannel moment? Picture it. I got a cute little crop top and maybe some short shorts, some shorter shorts. I feel like it eats. Staying. Okay, so this next one, I have an affinity for weird prints that make me feel like I'm from Miami. I just like that fun, possibly, something's wrong with that one look. This doesn't give that, but it is definitely those types of shirts. This shirt is so big. Like, it's almost too big. I think it eats. I'm gonna keep it. Okay, we're down to the last item because I blew through these. You wanna know why? Because it's the second time filming it. Some of the jokes didn't make it in. That's okay. Okay, so with this one, I'm very, very torn. Because although this is very cute and it's multi-purpose, this is very casual, but it can also be dressed up. I could do that trick where you tie it and it's a halter moment. Very adorable. My only issue is I have nothing in my closet that matches it. Not a thing. Nothing. I have to match this is a black jean skirt that's more of an edgier vibe. And I feel like this is too carefree for that. Or at least I don't have the accessories to finish that look. And that's my thing. Half my closet kind of doesn't go with each other. And that's why I'm purging most of it to see if I can find a cohesive thing. But I don't want to get rid of this because it is very cute. I'm gonna give it a couple more months. And if it makes it to fall purge, because I like to just get rid of clothes every season. So this is going back in the closet on probation. But if I don't find nothing to fit it or match it, then I am getting rid of it. I feel like a grown woman in this. Like everybody's mom had a real cute silk robe. This ain't silk, but okay, that's gonna be the end of this video. I'm getting rid of this much clothes. I'll put that there to fold them because they're clean. They came out the closet. I'll fold them, put them in the already gigantic bag of clothes in my living room. My next issue is I'm a hoarder. So I just have to be able to get rid of clothes without feeling like I'm losing something. Because I grew up with hand-me-downs. Most of my clothes have been hand-me-downs. So I don't mind hand-me-downs and I like thrifting because that's a hand-me-down technically. Like the other day I saw TikTok and they was talking about how they have buyer's guilt where they don't like buying things because they grew up without that much money. So they feel like that's like wasted and they want to reserve their resources. At the complete opposite of that. I feel like if I don't get it, I'll never be able to buy it again. I'll see a cute pair of jeans, and mind you, I mostly thrift. I don't really like going into stores because they give me, also most clothes are just ugly these days. I don't know. They look weird and they fit weird. So I go to thrift stores because they have the older cut styles from like early 2000s that I really like. It's loose, it's flowing, you know, it fits nice, and not everything's cropped. But yeah, say I find a cute pair of jeans, and whatever price they are, they're usually not too expensive, but say they're $10. Reasonable price, but in my head, I'm iffy on the jeans. I don't really like them, but I kind of like them, and I like the fact that they're $10. And I know for a fact these would be really expensive in store. So in my mind, I have to buy these jeans because you will never get a good deal like this ever again. Mind you, the whole store is full of stuff. There's more thrift stores with $10 jeans, but in my mind, that deal is nowhere else. And that's why I buy clothes and take clothes I don't really like. I'm not gonna say no, because then I won't have it. I don't know if that's materialistic, because I don't really enjoy the things. I just am fearful if I don't have it, I'll never get it anywhere else. I've got to look up what that is and then heal myself from it. But I'm gonna end this video right here. I hope you enjoyed. Like if you like, and subscribe for more content. If you didn't know, I do music. So if you want, you can check that out here. I don't know if it's recent anymore, but I did drop a music video within this year, and it's about mommy issues. So go check that out and tell me what you think. You don't have to like it. I like feedback, you know? The rest of my social links are gonna be in the description. But that's gonna be the end of my video promotions. And I'm gonna end this video with, I will see you next week. Bye.